Hello everyone, my name is Emily Romanowski. Here is my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic on healing the American housing crisis. I utilized Canva subscription to make this infographic. The visual hierarchy I followed was by visual weight and color contrast. My focal points include the header, the isotope, the illustrated number, and the horizontal bar graph. The infographic is arranged using a center alignment in each of the respective color blocks. The isotope of 30% of American households spent on income is my use of the principle of closure. Similarity is in the house shape, while anomaly is in the color. When choosing colors, I decided to utilize a patriotic but high contrast of blue 60, white 30, and red 10. The color harmony would be considered analogous. The font pairing I used was script and sans serif. Given the small margin on the document, the utilization of the serif font would have overcrowded the information. The header font is Bobby Jones and the subheader font is Gabriel Sands Condensed. If you have any questions regarding the design choices or the information provided, feel free to reach out. Thank you.